welcome, beautiful soul. Hi, my name is Miriam, or Crystalline, that's my artist name, and I welcome you to day 6 of 7 days of rest. The theme for today is nature is dreaming, and we're going to start with a few reflections on this topic. So, if you close your eyes, what do you see? What are you dreaming of? What does your soul aspire to be? Who do you want to become? What kind of dream world are you living in if you seek refuge in your own soul? What does it look like? What are you truly dreaming of? What is your dream reality? Is reality a dream, or dreams a reality? Do you live in a garden? A beautiful garden of roses? Do you live in a jungle full of wild animals and rain and deliciously scented flowers? Or do you live high up in the sky with the angels? Are you communing with them, just flying high above the clouds? Or are you dreaming of a world in the sea, in the ocean, like Atlantis perhaps? Just cities, underwater cities, or just floating around in the ocean, in between coral reefs, with all these beautiful, colorful fish? Or do you live in a fantasy world where unicorns and dragons exist, where the phoenix is real, and other magical beings that not everybody perceives in this? Let's call it mainstream reality. Yeah. What do you feel most drawn to? What kind of truth and reality resonates with you the most? What kind of dream world are you dreaming of? What kind of dream do you want to make a reality for all of us? Just try to picture it, and perhaps after this video you can write it down on a piece of paper or on your laptop, or you can just sit down and paint a picture, draw something that comes to your mind, or search for a photo on the internet that best reflects what you just saw inside your own mind. And when you truly think about it, nature is dreaming. Dogs dream, cats dream, humans, and we are part of nature as well, humans dream at night. And dreams allow us to travel through different realities. Some people believe that in our dreams we shift timelines, we become who we could be in a different life, in a different version of reality. A dream reality, of course, but a reality nevertheless. So I've heard of people that dream about working in their profession during the night, and they experiment in ways that they never do during the daytime. So there's a cook, a chef that I know of, who once told me that he usually dreams of working in a kitchen, and he has so many beautiful dishes and just things to work and experiment with that he could only dream of, but he improves his cooking skills by dreaming of cooking. And I think this is it's just so wonderful. And I've also heard about a young woman who always felt very drawn to both fashion and gastronomy. And in her dreams, she would be a fashion designer and design so many gorgeous, gorgeous clothes that she wished she could design in her waking life. But in her dreams, she could. She was able to do that already. And who knows, maybe now she's learning how to do it in her waking life as well. And then again, she also dreamed of being a food critic and got to taste so many delicious, extraordinary dishes in her dreams. And I'm sure that you, my dear, have heard of lucid dreaming. So becoming aware of the dream while you are right in the middle of it, that can become your greatest power. And if we just allow ourselves to believe the hypothesis that this whole reality is a big dream as well, if we become aware of the dream that we're in, that's the moment that we release, that we realize and release our greatest powers. It's the moment that we wake up. Before you know that you're dreaming, you don't know that you're dreaming, you just dream. You just dream, and you believe that it's real. But once you make that shift and you become aware of the dream, you might just snap out of it. That's the nature of a dream. And aren't we all sometimes sad once we wake from it? There's a certain kind of longing in our hearts. Oh no, I wish I could continue this dream. I wish I hadn't woken up because it was so beautiful, so wonderful, and it felt so incredibly real. Sometimes we receive visitors in our dreams, people that have passed already, our loved ones, people that we miss people that we haven't seen in a long time. They come to us in our dreams and they may talk to us, or they may show us where we haven't healed and certain wounds that we still carry within our being. And somehow it feels so real. And simultaneously, the nature of dreams is that they are surreal. So the moments when we in our waking life feel like, oh my God, this is even better than my biggest dreams. It feels like a dream. It's in the moments where everything feels too surreal to be real. But it is real. Or is it? Are we just dreaming? Is all of this just a dream? So let's come back to our initial question again. What, my dear soul, is your dream about? What does your dream world, your dream reality look like? And will you make it real? Keep thinking about that while I fetch my book, because the moment has come where I will read a few poems for you. Welcome back. So the first poem I would like to read to you today has the title Flowers, Part 1. Because in the eye of my mind, I saw all of us as beautiful flowers in a huge, tremendously huge garden. And in this poem, we will discover that we choose who we want to be, who we are. So often in this boring human reality, we end up comparing ourselves to others because we notice that we are all unique and we are all a little bit different, but for some reason we want to be more like this or more like that. We dream perhaps of being somebody else than we already are. And in this poem, I want to show you that you can choose. You already are all that, and you are the dreamer of your dream. So you can be who you choose to be. Let's go. Flowers, Part 1. In a garden of flowers, who would you be? And the other person says, I used to believe I could never be as magnificent as the lilac, nor as majestic as the rose, nor as pure as the tulip, nor blue like a forget-me-not. So I used to say, oh, I am just a daisy, not a rose. For I would feel tiny when you looked at me and never got showered with too much attention. That was before I lifted the veil and discovered the secret beyond my illusion. The truth is, we can all be magnificent, majestic, pure, tiny, blue, elaborate, delicate, and beautiful. What matters is that we express how we feel about ourselves. What kind of flower we are, we reveal ourselves. We choose our own colorful dress. The flower, on some level, chooses its color. In the same way, you can. The next poem is called Garden Romance. Lilac gardens, tulip paradise, miraculous meadows. We were happy, we were young, we were free. I kiss you gently inside of my sweater. You hold my hand. Will we ever leave this place? It's heavenly. In this spring weather, love lasts for a myriad star-specked nights. And when the little bird takes flight, that shall make it all right. Let's love each other, make out in miracle land, and together we will cheer when the bird takes flight and spreads her wings into a new night as she shines her little guiding light. This poem is one of the more romantic and dreamy ones I've written. And it's one of those moments when life feels like a dream, or even better than a dream. Thank you, dear soul. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for blessing me with your attention. Keep on dreaming, keep on believing, keep on creating, keep on receiving what is meant for you. Keep on being and doing the best you can do. Thank you so much for being here. All the best from my heart to yours. And yeah, let's close off today's session with another ring ding 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 and a little dance from my part. A little dreamy dance to remember we are always free to move, always free to embody who we want to be. Little butterfly wings or eagle wings. Rolling the neck through. You can also join me in this little movement. Remember that your dreams are waiting for you, not the other way around. So make them come true. I'm sending you so much love from my heart right here. All the best, my dear. Blessings, blessings, blessings. May they rain upon you. May you bring them out into the world and radiate out your precious, unique, beautiful, dreamy light. Thank you so much. Mwah.